Hello guys, welcome back to College Dunia Exam YouTube channel. Getting ready for KEAM 2026? Here's a simple step-by-step guide to help you download your admit card without any confusion. So let's get started. Mark your calendars as KEAM 2026 admit card will be released tomorrow, that is on 8th April 2026. Candidates can download it only from the official website, which is cee.kerala.gov.in. Make sure you avoid any unofficial websites to keep your details safe. Now, when on the exam schedule, the KEAM 2026 exams are scheduled from 17th April to 23rd April. Along with this, buffer days are also scheduled on April 13, 16, 24 and 25. So what exactly are buffer days, are you thinking? Let me clear this. These are the backup dates kept by the exam authorities in case of unexpected issues like technical glitches, weather disruptions, or scheduling conflicts. Not every student will get these dates. Remember, not every student will get these dates. They are only used if and when required. Now, how will you download the admit card? Step 1 and most important step is to head over to the official CEE Kerala website. Open your browser and type cee.kerala.gov.in. Remember, this is the only official portal, so stay away from any third-party links. Now, on the home page, look for the candidate login or KEAM 2026 candidate portal. Click on it to move to the secure login page where you can access your details. Now you have opened the candidate portal, so enter your application number and password carefully. If you have forgotten your login details, don't worry, you can easily recover them using the forgot password or forgot application number options. Once you have logged in, go to your dashboard and find the admit card section. Click on it to view your KEAM 2026 admit card on the screen. Now you can download your admit card and save it as a PDF. Take a color printout for better clarity, or you can also go for black and white, whatever you prefer. Just make sure that the details are printed out. Nicely and are readable. And don't forget to check all your details, your name, exam date, center and photograph before the exam date, so you can avoid any mishappening. On the exam day, carry your printed admit card. Otherwise, you won't be allowed to enter your exam center and your year will be wasted. So let's avoid that and keep your admit card on you. Also bring your valid photo ID like Aadhaar card, PAN card or driving license, and most importantly, reach the exam center well before the reporting time to avoid last minute stress. And that's all you need to know about downloading your KEAM 2026 admit card. Stay prepared, stay confident, and for more updates on entrance exams, keep watching College Dunia Exam YouTube channel. Like the video. If you have any queries, make sure to comment down them in the comment section, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.